Hello and welcome students to our today's English grammar class, and today we will start with our new lesson, that is lesson number 7, comparison. Sometimes we use adjectives to show how people and things compare with one another. So now if you want to compare one thing with another thing, we use adjective. We add er to the adjectives to compare two things. So now if we want to compare two things, then we are adding er and est to the adjective to compare more than two things. So more than two things when we are comparing, at that time we are adding est to the adjective. Dhruv is tall. Here tall is adjective. Only one person, but Akhil is taller. Here two person are there. So two things are there, two person are there. So we are using er, we are adding er to the adjective. Akshay is the tallest of them all. Now here more than two are there. 1, 2 and 3. So more than two are there. So we are adding est to the adjective. Number 1, complete the table. Loud, louder. Here only two things are compared. Loudest. Here more than two person. Next one, short. Then here we will write shorter. And here shortest. Safe. Safer, safest. Wet, wetter. Double T will come. Wettest. Low, lower. Lowest. Large, larger, largest. Next question, underline the correct adjectives to form ones given in bracket. Now here we have to underline correct adjectives according to the sentence given below. A whale is large, larger, largest than an elephant. Now here two animals are compared, whale and elephant. So we will use er, larger. The tortoise is slower, slowest animal I know. So here it is not defined that only one animal is there or two there. So here may be more than two. So here slowest. Next one, my skipping rope is longer, longest than yours. So here also two things are compared. So longer. A feather is very light, lighter, lightest. So here only one feather is there. So light. My sister is dash than me, younger. Here also two are compared. A mouse is a dash animal, small. Only one mouse is there. Here comparison is not there, so only small. The dash wrestler will win the competition. Here may be two. Here may be more than one wrestler will be there in competition. So here we will use strongest. Here we are not knowing that how many person are there. Rupal wrote a dash play, short. Here only Rupal wrote, only Rupal is there. Some adjectives change in special ways to show comparison. They do not follow any pattern. So now some adjectives change in a special way. They do not show any pattern. Your pattern was there, er, est. Here pattern is not there. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Many, more, most. Fill in the blanks with appropriate adjectives from the brackets and complete the sentences. First one, Nikhil's project was dash than everybody else. So here, better. This is the dash play I have ever seen. Worse. Sachin Tendulkar is the dash talented batsman I know. So here, most. So here, more will come, more talented. The bottle contains dash water, more water. Yet it takes up dash space inside the fridge, less. Abhishek had many toys but he wanted more. Too many sweets are not dash for you. Good. Traffic during the day is dash than at night. Worse. So here we are finishing with our lesson number 7. So question number A, B and C you will write in notebook.